Hello, we have learnt what a fraction is. Now let us look at types of fraction. Fraction comes in three different types. We have what we call the proper fraction, such as 1/2, 2/3, 2/5, 4/5, and so on. What do we observe from this set of examples I've given for proper fraction? That is, you will see that in proper fractions, the numerator is less than the denominator. So when you see any fraction at all, such that the numerator, that is the number written on top of this dividing line, in the case of this 1, 2, 2, and 4, when this numerator is less than the denominator, such kind of a fraction is known as a proper fraction. You can mention other types of proper fractions, other examples, of proper fractions, such as 3/5, 1/5, 6/7, 9/10. All of these are proper fractions because the numerator is less than the denominator. Another type of fraction we have is the improper fraction. The improper fraction, such as 3/2, 2/2, 4/3, 5/2, and so on. What we can see here is that in this case, you see that the numerator is greater than the denominator or exactly the same as the denominator. In this kind of case, we are dealing with an improper fraction. Let's write that definition down. In an improper fraction, the numerator is greater or equal to the denominator. So that is, whenever you find a fraction such that the numerator is greater than the denominator, you know that it is an improper fraction. Or if it is the same as the denominator, then it is still the improper fraction. Then finally, we have what is known as the mixed fraction. Such as 1/2/3, 1/2, 3 whole number, 3/4, etc. What we see here is that we are having a mixture of a whole number and a proper fraction. So any kind of number you are dealing with where a whole number is added up to a fraction, that is a proper fraction, then you have what we call a mixed fraction. This is the combination of a whole number and a proper fraction. So now when you come across a fraction, it is easy for you to identify what type of fraction it is. Remember, if the numerator is less than the denominator, you have a proper fraction. Then when the numerator is greater than the denominator or of the same value, then you are working with improper fractions. And when you have a mixture of a whole number and a proper fraction, that is a mixed fraction. Thank you.